Hello guys, welcome to the Thrifty Tabby. My name is Krish and this is my partner Gabby, and we gathered here today to stuff my binder for June 2024. So this is my personal binder. This is a little bit different than the other stuff I am stuffing. This is basically my personal expenses that we divide with my husband, and today we have some cash to stuff this with, and we do also have some coins that I have pulled out from my wallet, but I will tell you about that in a minute. So basically, what is it? Just let me explain quickly how that works. We both contribute 5K to our binders and to our budget, but with all of the expenses we have a new house. Well, it's an old house that we have moved in 4 years ago, and we are still renovating quite a lot. So there's quite a lot of expenses going out to our household, and basically sinking funds and all of the stuff. We also have 2 pets that you might hear from time to time here. But basically the reason for me explaining that is except of the 5K that we contribute to our family budget, everything what is left from my paycheck every single month is mine. And I use this money to spend on nails and hair and cosmetics and clothing and all of the stuff that I usually need throughout the month. So we divide that because, well, there is a huge difference in expenses between ladies and gentlemen. So fortunately, this is what we have. I don't have my own car because I don't drive, but my husband has his car, and he covers his expenses when it comes to the car, when it comes to grooming and I don't know, his sports and hobbies and technical stuff. So we divide that in between each other. So I just wanted to briefly explain that to you. But first, let me show you how much is there and what do we have. So this is my wallet, and this is all of the money that is left over from my bank account and from my paycheck after I did all of the expenses. So in Europe, we pay taxes straight ahead. We don't wait till the end of the year to pay taxes. And in the end of the year, we basically have like a full-on recalculation of taxes with our finance departments, but I don't know how to say that in English, so I'm just going to say that whatever I feel like it, sorry. So yeah, so basically what is happening there is that after all of the expenses of insurance and paying for my accountant and paying for everything else, I have that left. So we will see how much we can stuff to my binder. I hope it's not, it is enough. So let me first divide those monies, and then we will calculate how much is there. I see there's quite a lot of 200s. Oh, okay, I see that it's a mess. Sorry about that. Let me just quickly clean this up first. Okay. It seems like quite a lot, but well, in Poland we have a big inflation, but on top of that there's quite a lot of things happening in Eastern Europe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 tens, which is 260, plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 100. In 20s, 51, 52, 100 in 50s, 200 in 100 PLN bill, and my favorite ones with the golden 20, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 2000. And 600. Which totals to 3,420 PLN. 3,420 PLN. Okay, let me take a look into the binder and we see what we can stuff. And one other thing that we would have to add here is that we have taken out the clothing envelope from our family binder. So I assume we would have to add such envelope here, but not this time. I don't need any clothing for some time, so I'm just going to skip it and we will see how it goes. If I need something, I'll use my emergency fund for now. But the reason for me saying that is I will not be staffing for clothing this month. I will just do it the next one. I need to prepare the envelope and basically think about the budget. But guys, well, it's depleted. It's completely depleted. We were on vacation and yeah, I just overspent. So here is my gym envelope. I pay 760 PLN a month for my gym. And now we are in, I have a little like cheat sheet here about the gym expenses. So we are now in June, 1, 2, 3, and I have, yeah, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times I will be attending gym in June. And how much do I have here? I have 100, 200, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 380. 300, I need 760 minus 380 equals 380. It's even. So what I'm going to do is I will just put that in here and I will take the bigger bills. So 1, 2, 3, 600. Just let me move. Okay. 600, 750, 770, 60, 760 PLN. This is what we need to pay for my physiotherapist and gym. Now, mental health therapy. Okay, so we need 4 times 2, 800. 2, 4, 6, 800 to pay for my therapy bills. Okay. Beauty usually needs around 400 a month. I already had my nails done and I will be keeping them for some time, and yeah, I needed to shorten them like really hard because I broke them up. So sorry, excuse me. What I'm going to do is I originally planned to put there 600 because it's 200 for pedicure, 200 for manicure, and 200 for lashes. But I'm gonna just do 400 because I don't actually need that much this month, and I will rather pack my challenges and other envelopes. So yeah, so 400 is going in the beauty. So that's fully staffed with 400. Emergency is fully funded with 500. Makeup. So makeup, the total is 500 for this envelope and it's empty. I bought so much stuff last month because everything like was done. So I'm going to put 500 in here in full. And or maybe I'll do it different. Okay, let's do it this way. It's 6, sorry. Yeah, 500. So this is going to be fully staffed. I don't think I will actually use this money this month, but let me just keep it. It's important to like have it on hand. Hobby. Well, yes, you guessed it. I spend everything, and I spend some on books. I spend some on like stationery and stuff like that and other things. So I'm going to staff, the total for this envelope is 1K, but I'm going to staff 800. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, and we'll see how it goes. For this month, I don't have more to stuff. As you see, my envelope, my money is getting skimmed. Okay, for my smile envelope, I contribute 100 every single month. So 5, 7, 9, 100. 100 goes into smile envelope, and we can actually count how much is there. I condensed this a little bit last time. So let me take a look how much we have in our smile envelope. The goal is 16K. Well, I'm not sure if I'm actually going to need 16,000 for smile envelope because for my new braces, because I have discussed that with my husband, and I think I'm going to lean towards like the classical braces, not the invisible ones, but we will see. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. It all depends. I need to consult that with orthodontist and then I will make a decision. But I'm collecting my money and let me tell you how much we have for now. So it's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3,000. And 1, 2, 3,300. So this is what we have for now. Well, it's not 16K. Yeah, I know, but yeah, it is what it is. And if I need to, I will then figure it out. So that's the smile. And that would be it, I think, for this video. I will be staffing the challenges separately, so I will combine 2 videos about the challenges because I needed to film them a little bit differently. But yeah, this is all we had for now. Thank you guys for watching. The remaining money will be staffed in the challenges that I will shoot right now, and you will see this in the next video. So have a lovely day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.